Bobcat 843 engine removal and hydraulic pump coupling repair. She's kind of in a messy state right now. I'll open the engine bay door here. If you don't mind the mess in my garage, we'll take a look inside. As you can see, I already removed the motor and did one heck of a cleanup because this whole area was completely covered in grease and grime for who knows how many years. This is the hydraulic pump connection. It's a splined hub. This required a repair. I don't have it on video. I wish I did, but we had to get a little unique with it. The end of the shaft was damaged and we made a repair piece on the lathe and the mill to make it usable again. These are the old U-joints, and you can see there's no needle bearings left in them. The ear was actually broken off of this U-joint cap, and the threaded bolt is still in there. Here's one of the old bolts. It was obviously running when it was 3/4 of the way apart, but it's still going. Run her till she blows, right? This is the universal coupling. This is the splined hub. And there's the universal joint assembly with the new U-joints. It's not assembled yet, it's just sitting together. This part would drive the pump, the splined stub shaft that was on the back of the pump that I showed you earlier. Half of the U-joint, this is a new U-joint assembly from Loader Part Source. This is a spacer plate that connects the two U-joints together. It's beat up pretty good. And I'm just going to do a little file cleanup on it. I already filed it quite a bit, but looks like it may need a little more work before it'll go together smooth. The other new U-joint assembly. You need 2 units. They're different part numbers because one end is threaded holes while the other end has just through holes. It sandwiches this block. And this is the mounting plate that affixes to the motor. Stick around and I'll show you how it goes back together.